Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of meal replacements and discussing one of the best options for weight loss and protein intake. SlimFast Meal Replacement Powder in original French vanilla flavor. SlimFast has been a trusted name in weight management for over 40 years, and their original French vanilla shake mix continues to impress with its delicious taste and nutritional benefits. Let's talk about what sets SlimFast apart. With 10 grams of protein per serving, this shake mix provides a satisfying way to fuel your body and curb hunger cravings. Plus, it's packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, D, E, and zinc, to support overall health and well-being. But what about the taste? SlimFast Original French Vanilla boasts a sweet and creamy flavor that's sure to satisfy your cravings, whether you enjoy it blended with milk or mixed into a smoothie. It's a delicious way to stay on track with your weight loss goals. One of the things I love most about SlimFast is its convenience. Each serving provides up to 4 hours of hunger control, making it easy to stay on track with your diet, even on the busiest of days. Plus, it's incredibly easy to prepare. Just mix 1 scoop with water or milk, and you're good to go. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the effectiveness and taste of SlimFast Meal Replacement Powder. From curbing hunger to supporting weight loss goals, it's clear that this product delivers results. So if you're looking for a convenient, delicious, and effective way to manage your weight and increase your protein intake, look no further than SlimFast Meal Replacement Powder in original French vanilla flavor. Trust me, your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.